Today's tutorial is all about dropping a database in MariaDB. So first is we have to open the already installed MariaDB in our computer, and it will ask us to type the password, and then a welcome message will appear signifying that we are already connected with our MariaDB. And then first is we have to show all the list or to display all the list of databases that are already created by using the command show databases. For example, we are going to drop or delete or eliminate or remove a particular database. For example, we will be removing the test database. So we will be using the drop database syntax. So we have here the syntax. The name here is used to specify the name of the database to be dropped. So say for example, we will be dropping the test database. So we have here drop database and then the name of the database, which is test. Once it says query OK, it means that the database is already dropped. The test database will be removed, and then in order for us to check all the available databases to confirm the removal process, the show databases query will also be used again. So we have to show the databases in order for us to confirm whether the test database is already removed from the list of the available databases. The show databases query can also be used after a database is being created in order for us to know if the database is really created. So say for example, so we are going to create a database named test, and then we are going to show databases using the show databases query in order for us to identify or to determine whether the test database is already created. So we have here the test database.